Mickey teacher. Mickey, Mickey, Mickey. Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog in Korea. So today is a Wednesday and I'm going to do a daily vlog because we are going to have Marcus Day in Sebenzini, maybe for the 4th or 5th time, but we've been doing this for the past 4 years. In vlogger in Marcus Day this year because, guys, honestly, there's nothing new. You are going to see the same thing. We are going to sell the same snacks, but we have a lot of new subscribers, so I am making this video for them, right? A day in the life of an ASL teacher. If you are watching for the first time, in Marcus Day, as Fundisi, it's a day whereby students are learning shopping expressions all day, so it's gonna be a long one. I'll take you guys with me, and I'm wearing this top that I initially bought for for Disneyland when I went to Hong Kong. But and I remember someone from Instagram asked me, I'm saying why I'm at Disney. And to be honest with you, my fiance and I woke up very late and we're like, do we really have to go to Disney because we want to, or we want to go there because a lot of people go to Disneyland when they are in Hong Kong? And then we just look at each other and laughed. That's why we knew about we don't have to go, honestly. So we didn't go to Disneyland, but it was part of the itinerary. Another reason going to Disneyland is so expensive, guys. I'm gonna put a screenshot for you so that you can see. But they pay close to 5,000 rands, and that's excluding meals. So if you're gonna add meals like lunch or dinner, you gotta pay more, of course. So when we decided not to go to Disneyland, then we were so happy. We got to experience different kinds of food in Hong Kong, which was not part of the plan. I also bought these for Disneyland as well. The whole outfit that I'm wearing today was supposed to be an outfit for going to Disneyland. I am thinking of rocking this as well. My students would be so happy. Cute cine teacher. What do you guys think? Before we go, let me take my PDRN drink. I will run out very soon, guys. I look. Particularly, this is one of the skincare products that I would buy out of my pocket if I run out, because it works for my skin.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down.
Oh, Mickey Mouse ngizomfaka emsebenzini. I feel like uzongifakela amehlo endleleni. I pass by a lot of students abaphuma esikoleni, but nje the weather is so beautiful today.
Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got highway Yes.
Yes, it's so cute, right?
I don't wanna let you down.
Daddy Mickey, baby Mickey.
Yes.
Guys, I need 3 things from Olive Young before I go home. And I hope and pray I'm only going to get 3 things. Ngoba ave ihehana. Let's get inside. I need Nivea spray for my armpits. It's supposed to be here. And then I need sanitary pads. And then stirring. Okay, this was not part of the plan, but I'm gonna take this matcha shake. And then I've worked with this brand and I really love this one, so I'm gonna take this one as well. It has high protein. How cute is this packaging, guys? Pikachu. I am back home and I'm a lot of students are on vacation, and in the next 2 days we're going to have 5 days off from work, so most students are on vacation already, which really helped me. I came back with some snacks as always. Let me show you real quick. I don't have to show you one by one, but I got a lot of snacks and candies. I'm going to give them back to my students. I'm only going to have this one right now. I don't feel hungry. We had mandu, we had tteokbokki, we had wedges, ngisuthi anglamang. I want to relax my hair before I go for a walk. I haven't relaxed my hair in 4 months. And it hasn't it growth, is it true? I'm not sure if I'd be able to relax my hair on camera. But I just want to show you a relaxer that I use. I am going to use it for the second time. I've tried using Dark and Lovely from Coupang, but it didn't work. I don't know if you guys remember that vlog. And then Yama recommended this one, which I really liked, and I sang it all. So now if you accept Dark and Lovely from Coupang, just get yourself this relaxer. It comes with a shampoo and a conditioner. There's another conditioner here and another one, and it was affordable. Take a screenshot. So yeah guys, let me relax my hair, go for a walk, come back, take a shower and sleep. That's it for today. I'm not sure if I'm going to end this vlog right now. I think it's going to be very short. Maybe I will vlog the long weekend if I get up to something, but for now I'm gonna end it here. So please do like, do comment and subscribe, and do not skip my ads. Okay, I'll show you guys my hair when I'm done. Now what I got from Olive Young. I want to try this matcha. This was a 1+1, okay? And then if unamakwapa julugayo, I highly recommend you buy this spray. And then I have Listerine and sanitary pads. That's all I got. The total is 39,001, which is close to 500 rands, I guess. That's all I got. So now let me relax my hair. Guys, I am done relaxing my hair and I'm happy with the result. I am so over the wig life, hey? I wanna do my hair, I wanna have braids, I wanna do straight back, but and this your target market sana look at Korea, because what do you mean you wanna charge me 200,000 won to do my hair? Is this will last only for a month? 200,000 won. If babuza ku comment section ukuthi how much do you charge for braids, basi DM umuntu azokutshela ukuthi DM for prices. Ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukungiqola in private? Yo, ngeke guys. I think I've braided 3 times since I moved to Korea, and bonke labantu bangiluka kahle. The problem is basekudeni. They live hours away from me. So I don't know guys, should I go back to one of them? Because manje I end up paying more for transport, yabo? If you know anyone who in Korea, at least less than 150,000 won, because I still have to go there in Gemaliam. Please let me know in the comment section. No me more ngapa my braids, ngapa straight up, straight back, anything. I'm up for anything. Yabanda namhlanje I have to wear ijersey so that ngiyeza ukuphasa umkhuhlane. Let's go have our 10k steps. Just came back from my walk and I did 15k today. 15k for the first time. I'm wearing a hoodie because Kyabanda is currently 12 a.m. I'm gonna take a long shower and sleep.